Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall the Kaspersky Security Cloud free antivirus from your computer. So perhaps you want to go switch over to another antivirus application. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do just that. And we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Control Panel. Best result should go back with Control Panel. Go ahead and just left click on that. Now you want to set your view by to large icons. So go ahead and just set that to large icons here if it's not automatically set to that. And then once you've done that, you want to go select Programs and Features. Okay, so now in this list, you want to locate Kaspersky Security Cloud, left click on it, and then select Uninstall/Change. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to install Kaspersky Security Cloud? Select Continue. And select Next. Select Next again, and then finally Remove. Give it a moment here. So you will have to restart your computer in order to complete the uninstallation. We're going to select No for right now, because we're also going to select the Kaspersky Secure Connection and then select Uninstall for that. Select Yes. Again, select Next again. Next, and then finally Remove. And now if you've closed out of any open programs and applications, you can now select the Yes option to restart our computer. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. I do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.